Namaste students, Pushpa Bhatia, I JVWU Dr. Vaidya, University Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the heredity and the environmental effects. So, how the gene environment and the behavior affects on the human. But first of all, the way that you carry a career is like the, for example, we consider how does a gene influence who are you or what are you. That means the gene are the instruction that indicate how a person's body is made, the same way as the blueprint of the instructions to build a house. Information from the gene led the body what the character in a person will have. That means that if there will have a hairy or a hairless beard or a small or a big chin. This instruction comes from our parents or when these genes are mixed together, aspects of genes is formed. This is why we often look like a mixture of our parents. If I have a mother or I or a father's features or like the hair conditions or the hair color or the hair texture or the skin color or skin texture, that means almost every part has a different information of genes. So, which makes sense how much diversity they are in and how the people look at and act. That means the genetic information that is transferred from them. Okay. Now, suppose we have an identical twins. And identical twins look exactly the same of each other and share the same genetics or the genes as identical siblings. But when a mother is pregnant, this fertilized egg holds the mixture of the genes from both the mother and the father, and occasionally these fertilized eggs split into two eggs, which exactly as the same mixture of the gene. This results in the two identical and the people who are similar to the one in the way they look and behave. That means the genes are carrying instructions and that are making it more likely for you to develop a certain illness or the condition. For example, Jennifer and suppose have two X and Y have both have genes associated with obesity. So their genes will tell their body to increase in size, getting the fat cells dictating how they use fat in their body, right? So releasing the chemicals like hormones, which controls the hunger and appetite, influence the behavior of the person interacting with the environment, and if this will help the gaining more weight or becoming lean or losing the weight. So one will be unable to have the comfortable zone. So how to experience this with the influence of a gene? Suppose a person is is raised by a wealthy parents and who has access of the best. That means healthier food. Her parents cook nutritious meals like vegetables or little soup or limited amount of sugar, fat, salt, and fat of the fat. So the eggs will have craving for excess sweet salts, or their parents are significant amount of them to teach the lively and active lifestyle by eating nutritious food. So the gene increasing her chance of developing obesity are not expressed. Okay? So she will never develop obesity. That means the here how to raise by low income parents or who have in an area where fresh healthy food is scarce or expensive because of the parents cannot afford they have been in a frozen or packed food or a meal of fast food or having the sugar, fat or salt bearing food. difficult. Okay. So the characteristics that you are born with are what you experience throughout your life are both important. Your characteristics are impact of your experiences and your experience can impact on the characteristic. That means how you conduct or what you eat reflects the environmental situation, so the behavior of a person. Okay, so there may be influence on the gene that have to be on a behavior. Okay, here the scientist can look on the influence of the gene on a behavior by using certain mathematical formula called the heritability or estimation. The heritability estimation gives the information of how much of the impact genes have on the behavior of certain environment. Think about the blood type as an example. If you are in a group of friends and there is a possibility some variation in your blood type. If the difference in the blood type are most influenced by the gene, then the heritability estimated will be reflected, and the heritability estimated can range from 0 to 1 when the estimate is higher or closer. This means that the gene has a larger influence on the behavior of the interest. Okay? So when the estimation is lower or the closure, it reflects a larger impact on the environment. Okay. To study the heritability, or they do this because the genetic material of the identical gene is always impact of the same and which is here to determine the relative influence of the environment. Okay. So to better understand the heritability, the estimation considered here. So one on the other hand, if a heritability estimation does not tell us that person's chance of inheriting a certain genetic traits, that means the heritability estimates give us more information about the group of people life. So these are varying the level of the athleticism and ranging from the neighbor. Can we explain? So when we consider this, the heritability estimation cannot be generalized to different populations. So how we look into a large populations or the specific environment, but still give us the important information. The interaction between your gene and your environment are specifically the important during our early development of, for example, exposure to toxins and immediately after the like pregnancy or lasting for the health of the baby or children exposure to the pesticide at younger age and risk of developing a mental health problems also. Okay. So here environment plays an important role in hereditary. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 with VIDYAPEETH University Jaipur. If you have any queries, we'll discuss in the problem solving session.